Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today on also review I'm gonna review a website that people are claiming that they used to make money, and this site is called Swagbucks. So all you have to do in this site is that I will have to go online, go to my Google Play Store and find this app, find this site, and also they also have a app. So this is what it looked like, and I'll click on the first site, swagbucks.com, and I have to wait for some time for it to open. So the fun part of this site is that I've been using this site for a year, 1 year back, and this is the number of SB I've been able to accumulate. Now the thing is that I've not been consistent on this site. You understand? So I've not. Maybe if I have, I would have gotten up to a good number of SB points. So this site pay you for the tax you do. They pay you for the tax you carry out, and each tax is paid with SB points. So that is what they pay you on for the site. That's how they pay you. So, but most of the tax here is very discouraging, and if you have the time and energy, you can actually do this. Just do it as something that you just do and just put one side as your side also or something. So, as these are some of the rewards if you are able to do it for some particular days, that will add more stuff to you. And again, they have this thing they call daily poll. This is the daily poll. These are survey, just like a question, and whether you get the question right or not, they will give you your one SB. Now I have 156 SB there, so let me carry out this tax, and you will see how that thing will go to 157. So this is a tax to do. Just a normal question. Whether you know the answer or not, just answer anything. It's not going to bad you. So me, I don't know. I just click in water. So let us see. So, and you can see I've been added one. So I have 157 SB points right now. So these are some of the tags. These are the percentage of people that click in each of those options you see in the tags there. So this is how some of the tags are. Not all the tags are like this. And I think in this site, I've discovered that you as a Nigeria, you are not being given much tax to do, which is very, very not fair. You understand? You are not given much tax to do. Sometimes one tax, sometimes just two tax, and the number of the tax are very, very low because you are a Nigeria in Africa. So this page here is where you redeem your SB points for cash. So 500 SB points, $5, just like that. The more SB points you get, these are what you can be able to withdraw it through gift card. You understand? So they have different gift card here. You understand? If you want to use different gift card, the option is here. So these are the offer. So this is how you actually do it. So tell me, just comment on your session. What do you think of this site? What do you think? Is it worth it or something? Because to be honest, I did this thing for 1 year, but not every day. Maybe in a month, I will do it 2 times or 3 times in a month. That was how I was able to get that 157 SB points. So, to you, what do you think? Do you think this is something worth it? For me, that I've done this thing for a year, I would say it's not something that is actually worth it. It's not. But if you live in a state like the United States or the UK, I don't know, but I think this site is good. But if you live in places like Nigeria, then this site is not good. So again, this is also review. All I do in this channel is expose and tell you which which crypto investment is good and which one is bad. So this is what I do here. I make my analysis. Not just that I go into the thing And again, see this place too. I think you can also make money by playing games. You can actually make more SD points, sorry, by playing games. So I think I will cover this in my next video, how you can actually play game with this site and earn money. So see you in the next video.